This is the Amphitryon 961 integrated motorhome from Benimar, which has been brought out for the 2022 season, and we'll have a little look around it right now. This thing here is going to cost a lot, 77,675 euros, and right, so here it goes. Well, new for this year, but it's a tried and tested formula. German layout at the back with interesting steps up into it. You've got here, I'll put the steps up just to show that the steps go up, and here I'll go into the back here. I like the way the steps are put into the door, and they can nip into the garage when the traffic warden comes in around, and you can pretend you're not in your van. And we'll close that. Here you've got storage under the bed, so there's a bit of a wardrobe for you, almost more than a bit in fact. And if you really want to have another hiding place, you can, here's one under here which can't open, but in theory you should be able to open it. Here we have some drawers. That's what a drawer looks like, and you've got 3 of them. You've got up there skylight, and here you've got some I've got an air conditioner from Truma. It'll work on hookup only, of course. Shower's quite nice, always a lot of space in there. And storage here under the cooker. And this opens as well, I think. There you go. And on this side as well. Right, having seen that, right, bed up there. Can I take the bed down? Yeah, I could give it a go, couldn't I? It's been prepared for me. So let's pull the bed down. Ooh. Smash straight through the front window. Alright, you can see how big the bed is. That looks quite positive. I'm not so keen on beds at the front, but that's the way it is. 4 people can get in here. We'll have a look at the payload if it's written. And if it's not written, we won't have a look at it. But I rather fear that the payload is not enough for 4 people. At least not 4 adults. That is to say, if they aren't taking anything, they might be going with no clothes on, no food, no water, no nothing. Then they might actually get in without any problems. So, what's this? Oh, that's a good use of that space. What comes out even further? Conveniently sized to get your beer cans in. I can see this comes out as well. Doors comes out. Normally under there is the water tank. Here, what's under this one? Put my hand under it. I don't know because I can't see. There's a nice large table. Right. Tell you what. I think I'll go on with this one. And I don't think the weight isn't written here, is it? No, it isn't. 7 meters, but we haven't got 237 centimeters in width. Nice big garage. That's pretty good. Can't say complain at that. Let's have a look. This one's far better. This one here, in my opinion. 983. It also says it's new. 7 meters long. Similar price. But what this has got, in my opinion, is much more original. It says similar price, 83,500, sorry. Not a similar price, it costs more. Right. This one's got Alde heating. It's got this enormous bed. Well, the other one had the enormous bed as well. And it's got this rather large lounge. 237 centimeters in width, of course, is a bit of a problem. Here at the back, so it's an enormous kitchen. This I think is brilliant. We've got this bed down here. You don't have to have a bed here, you can have a garage instead. You can just put all this stuff up to one side and it will give you the garage. You've got your storage here at this height, which I think is a very good idea. And look at that. That's pretty good. Huge amount of stuff you can get in there. That really is nice. I like that one. Yeah, this appeals to me. Toilet, there's your shower. And cooker. Oh dear, I hope these things haven't been pinched. They go missing. I can just pull it out and take it. Oh, they couldn't get this one out. As they could. They could have done if they tried hard enough. You know, that's why they take these knobs out, because they go missing as well. Sometimes the shower heads go missing. It's like people pay whatever it is, 15 euros or whatever it is to get in. But then it's like, oh, just take as much as they can get. Now, it doesn't go very far back. But goes it? Oh, no, it goes further. Look at that. Oh, all the way back there. This one here, less so. Alright, so I'll now have a walk around the outside of both. And this one I do quite like. And that's just my opinion. You might like either, you might like both. Or whatever. Aldi, welcome to warmth. So, right, so that is the Amphitryon 961, one of two integrated motorhomes at the top of the Benimar range, and that is shown for 2022 new vehicles here at here at Düsseldorf Caravan Salon. Thanks for watching.